A commercial roof coating is an awesome, cost-efficient option for repairing a commercial roof that has leaks and is beyond the point that we can just repair certain spots of it. So for these customers today, they have the complaint that they have leaks in multiple locations inside their store. And so we came out and looked at the roof. There's no obvious section of damage, so it's just a worn out old roof. So if we do a coating instead of replacing the roof, we're going to basically reseal the entire roof with a waterproof layer, and it'll get into all the cracks and crevices on the roof, and it'll just provide basically a new membrane over the top of the old roof. So it's an awesome option if you're looking at maybe needing a roof replacement and you have good drainage on the roof, so we don't need to reshape it or retaper it or any of that stuff. And we can just go ahead and basically replace the roof without replacing the roof. Keep in mind that Red Ladder Roofing doesn't only do residential, we do commercial work as well. So if you're a property manager or if you own a business, you're more than welcome. Give us a call, get on our website, get in touch with us, and we'll come out and check out your roof.